What is up, guys? And today I'm gonna be watching the Get Hydra suit incident 1964 Godzilla analog horror. So enjoy, or should I say be scared? Well, anyway, happy Halloween. I don't know.
Nothing the screen has ever shown before can surpass the thrills of Hydra, a three-headed monster. From an atomic
Toho decided to be more careful and cautious during filming their next film. Their plan was to make a semi-puppet, semi-suit. The reasoning for this is to possibly confuse the man in the suit. Okay. Toho has been testing with new materials that will be resistant to heavy damage. Seems pretty smart. Okay. Saying that the last episode, bro threw up red blood, or like red boiling blood that supposedly had an eyeball in it. These materials consisted of blank, blank, and blank. Metal mesh. The lower body would have this toughened material. Okay. The head and neck, however, were made for puppeteering, meant they wouldn't be made from this material. This is like 11 in the morning right now, so most other kaiju that were in the film were puppets learning from their mistakes from last time. The larva with the Mothra thing puppet. This time I will intervene. Okay. Is that a knife? Or is that like a... what is that? Is that a shotgun, or is that like a long-ass knife? It sounds pretty risky to go to the workplace with a shotgun, but I think this needs to be put down once and for all. Bro is literally the real-life Godzilla, though. So, you really can't argue. Because, like, this guy is mayhem. His appearance changes. I'm not sure how. It might be Toho's doing. Toho's team were incredibly confident about this plan. They really shouldn't be. Stupid ass. However, their confidence was put to the test. I swear, this is like FNAF lore. They only had one last thing to film. The man in the suit was behaving properly because of the heavy security. Suit couldn't possibly take a bite out of the suit actor because of the toughened material. according to how it was built, the neck and head were the most vulnerable parts. The neck and head were supported by the suit actors' arms and hands. So it's basically, yeah. Why don't you just pull an animatronic move? Because, I mean, like, it just seems so stupid. Like, why are you using the arms as puppets? It's just so stupid. Because then Godzilla's gonna bite their arm off. And yeah. There was a contraption that makes it so the suit actor would pull on a lever to open the mouth. How would that work? If, like, the mouth movements are like with their fingers. How would that work? I don't know, maybe they, I don't know. In one of the last shots, the man in the suit would just stay there, not moving. Then he would start to shake violently. POV me. The team on the set tried to do something, but the suit actor for Androck got too close. I don't know how to pronounce that word. The man in the suit would bite onto the head of Gandra. I wonder who could have guessed that. I'm not sure if that's like mucus or blood. Oh, so it is blood. The man in the suit would puke the same red boiling substance from before in the suit head thing. Well, which head was it? Was it the middle one? The left one? The acid substance ran through the actor's arm that supported the neck. Oof. They dead. They can have 3 heads later. This is when I started to enter the studio. However, some of the workers there were confused. They might be confused about me bringing my guitar case, the shotgun I brought being inside of it. Don't question it, bro. They stopped me and asked me a question. Where have you been? Why does it matter? Let bro be. So, I asked, wasn't I fired? You never were, they replied. Why Why would they let him back on set with a guitar that's supposedly has a shotgun in it? If they fired him. As I barged through, ignoring their comment, I realized that the set, there were a bad power box in the room. Must have noticed me because after puking the acidic blood in the head of he faced the power box. It happened so fast. But did you die? Oh, some actual video here. Wow. Hasn't been seen in the series. Okay, this is pretty exciting. I'm gonna just shut up and let you. Victory! Yeah, he blew his brains out. He'll just respawn. I knew it. Bro can just respawn his head because he's a lizard. Oh wait, no, I'm thinking about lizards' tails. But isn't he like a dinosaur lizard? I don't know. So technically he's a chicken? Is chicken dinosaurs? I don't even know what I'm saying right now. What? Okay. What the hell is even going on? I wonder if that guy survived. Nope. Bye, guys.